Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the element that will act as the link and why it should open in a window rather than navigation. Use an anchor tag for simple cases or a button if you need scripted control. Once chosen, set target equals blank to open a new tab or window and add rel equals newpener to prevent performance and security issues. Make sure the href is valid and that you've confirmed whether a pop-up approach with JavaScript is required based on user experience goals. Now implement the behavior. If you need a controlled window, use window. Open with a name and spec string to set size and Chrome. For example, window. Open, URL, mywin, width equals 800, height equals 600, toolbar equals no, resizable equals yes. You use this because it gives precise dimensions and UI control. Make sure the open call runs inside a user-initiated event like a click. Otherwise, modern browsers will block the pop-up. Also, consider focus management, so keyboard finish by testing behavior in multiple browsers and on mobile, because window handling varies and some will force tabs instead of separate windows. If a pop-up is blocked, provide a fallback by opening in the same tab or showing a message that a separate window was needed. Make sure URLs are validated and that rel attributes are present to reduce security risk. If something fails, try triggering the open directly from a user click and check console errors. Pop-ups blocked is the single most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.